Hello, my name is Rico. I'm a storage specialist working for Red Hat, and I would like to tell you today why Container Native Storage, CNS, is the best persistent storage solution for OpenShift when OpenShift runs on top of Amazon Web Services on AWS. First, here is a diagram of the solution. So the first advantage is the high availability and the resilience of CNS on top of OpenShift running in Amazon Web Services. The reason is we can configure persistent volumes and persistent storage that is available between all the availability zones that we can find in Amazon. Okay, so for example, we can have an OpenShift node in the availability zone 1, another OpenShift node in the availability zone 2, and a third OpenShift node in the availability zone 3. Okay, so then we mount these CNS pods, CNS containers, using the elastic block storage in the OCP nodes, able to create a persistent volume that is available across the 3 availability zones. So this persistent volume is implementing a replica, synchronous replica 3 data protection that enable us to have a volume that is high available between all the availability zones. Okay, so this is the first thing. Okay, so anytime you have a problem in one node or in the pod that is hosting the persistent volume or an entire availability zone, all the others availability zones are going to provide the high available volume to the rest of the pods that are needing this persistent volume. Let's put, for example, Prometheus. Now Prometheus is a monitoring solution that is getting more popular in OpenShift, and Prometheus requires storage, persistent storage. So we can provide this persistent storage to Prometheus using CNS, Container Native Storage. No? And we ensure that whatever the Prometheus nodes are deployed across all our availability zones inside Amazon, it's going to get persistent volumes with high availability. Without CNS, just using elastic block storage from Amazon, this couldn't be possible. It's not going to work. So this is one of the reasons we are so insistent about using CNS for Amazon, these high availability zones. The second reason is the dynamic provisioning. With the dynamic provisioning, we can provide automatically persistent volumes with the side that the developers require for these persistent volumes automatically in real time. So there is one developer asking for one persistent volume, and automatically OpenShift is going to say to CNS, please, I need this volume of this size of read-write many or read-write once, depending the access mode that the developer needs for their apps. And they are going to get automatically this persistent volume in replica 3 in real time. So when the application pod is started, it's going to automatically be mounted our persistent volume to be used by the application as the persistent storage. So as you know, everything is going to be automatic. You don't have to worry about provision previously all the volumes beforehand. Okay, so these are the 2 reasons we are insisting in using Container Native Storage as the best persistent storage solution for OpenShift in Amazon. Thank you.